Dive into wealth, how to invest in stocks like a Wall Street pro. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding journey if approached with the right knowledge and strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you invest in stocks like a Wall Street pro. Step 1. Understand the basics. 1.1. Learn key stock market concepts. Stocks, shares of ownership in a company. Bonds, loans made to a company or government, paying periodic interest. Mutual funds, pools of money from many investors to purchase securities. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, similar to mutual funds but traded like stocks. Dividends, payments made by a corporation to its shareholders. 1.2. Understand how the stock market works. Stock exchanges, platforms where stocks are bought and sold. Example, NYSE, NASDAQ. Market orders versus limit orders. Types of orders to buy or sell stocks. Bull versus bear markets. Terms describing market trends. Rising versus falling. Step 2. Set clear investment goals. 2.1. Define your investment objectives. Growth. Aim to increase your investment's value over time. Income. Focus on generating regular income through dividends. Preservation. Protect your capital from significant losses. 2.2. Determine your risk tolerance. Assess your comfort level with the possibility of losing money. Consider your investment timeline and financial goals. Step 3. Educate yourself. 3.1. Read books and articles. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Financial news websites like Bloomberg, CNBC, and Reuters. 3.2. Take online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer courses on stock market investing. 3.3. Follow financial experts. Listen to podcasts, read blogs, and watch videos from reputable financial advisors and analysts. Step 4. Use the right brokerage. 4.1. Compare brokerage accounts. Look for low fees, user-friendly platforms, and research tools. Consider well-known brokers like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Robinhood. 4.2. Open a brokerage account. Provide personal information. Use an account type and fund your account. Step 5. Develop a strategy. 5.1. Decide on an investment strategy. Value investing. Buying undervalued stock. Growth investing. Focusing on companies expected to grow rapidly. Dividend investing. Investing in stocks that pay regular dividends. Index investing. Buying index funds to replicate the performance of a market index. 5.2. Diversify your portfolio. Spread investments across different sectors and asset classes to reduce risk. Step 6. Research and analyze stocks. 6.1. Fundamental analysis. Evaluate a company's financial health through balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. Consider metrics like P/E ratio, EPS, and ROE. 6.2. Technical analysis. Study stock price charts and patterns. Use indicators like moving averages and relative strength index or RSI. 6.3. Keep up with market news. Stay informed about market trends, economic news, and industry developments. Step 7. Make your first investment. 7.1. Create a watch list. Track stocks you are interested in before buying. 7.2. Place an order. Decide how many shares to buy and place a market per limit order through your brokerage. 7.3. Monitor your investment. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed. Step 8. Manage your portfolio. 8.1. Rebalance periodically. Adjust your holdings to maintain your desired asset location. 8.2. Stay informed. Continue learning and staying updated with market trends and news. 8.3. Review your goals. Periodically reassess your investment goals and strategy. Conclusion. Investing in the stock market like a Wall Street pro involves education, strategy, and continuous monitoring. By following these steps, you can build a strong foundation for your investment journey and work towards achieving your financial goals. Happy investing! Feel free to adapt this guide to your specific needs and circumstances. Investing always carries risk, and it is important to do thorough research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining me on this journey to invest like a Wall Street pro. Remember, the stock market isn't just about numbers and charts. It is a gateway to your financial dreams and possibilities. You have taken the first step towards building your wealth, and that is truly magical. As you venture into the world of investing, always stay curious, keep learning, and believe in your potential to succeed. The market has its ups and downs, but with determination and a solid strategy, you can ride the waves and reach your financial goals. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker. Keep this quote close to your heart as you navigate your investment journey. You have the power to create a prosperous future, one investment at a time. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and let your financial dreams take flight. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow dreamers, and hit that subscribe button for more magical insights and financial wisdom. Let us continue this journey together. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered, and may your investments bring your wealth and joy. Happy investing!